So I came home today and I set out to let Ginger outside here. And I looked over here and I thought, well, that looks funny. The bird bath is down. Something knocked it over. And then I noticed, oh my gosh, our tree's down. This tree is my husband's favorite tree. It's a mimosa that he brought down from Virginia. But he kept insisting it was still alive, even though neighbors and I thought it should come down. He kept hanging in there thinking it was going to come back. Well, I don't think it's going to come back now. So it is completely blown. Oh, it got blown over. I guess we had such a strong wind. It's dead at the very base even. Look at it here, William. I mean, it's oh yeah. This is the base of it. It's cracked off at the very base of the tree. So we'll be cutting that apart, hauling it out. But everything else was okay. I mean, I expected this tree to have some limbs down, but nothing. Nothing in the corner. Isn't this kind of strange that it's just this one? Unless it was just time.
Yes, it's time.
Well, Ginger, your tree is going to be taken away soon. We were able to break down some of the bigger limbs. The rest of it has to be sawed off. It's going to look pretty bare there for a while. And the squirrels are just going to have to eat around with... Oh, I don't think I want that bird feeder there. They'll love that. So they're just going to have to eat around the birdhouse, and I'll put some water in the bird bath there, which they were using before anyway. Kind of a different view. Definitely a different view out our back door. Look what I noticed on this branch. That looks like mushroom some sort just starting to grow. Have no idea what kind. Maybe Brian from Brian's Lois. You might know what that is.